Yo, how's it going everybody? It's Bricks&Studs back for another LEGO video. Today I'm going to be doing a speed build mock of a LEGO City work site, and it's going to be a lot of fun, so make sure you stick around to the end. And also, if you do go on to enjoy today's LEGO video, leaving a like and subscribe would really help me out a ton, and it supports me to make more of this LEGO content for you at home. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is the base plate that I'm going to be using. Pretty simple LEGO City road base plate. And I'll just be building it here. So let's just get straight into the speed build. Okay, so I accidentally knocked over the camera there, but this is what I've got so far. Looks pretty good so far. I'm just gonna keep building up this broken house that sounds weird, building up a broken house. But yeah, I'm just gonna hop straight back into a time lapse. Okay, so there you have it. It's done. Looks pretty good to me. Quite nice. It sounded really weird before because I said that I was building up a broken house. So it was a bit weird, to be honest. But I'm actually quite happy on the end results. It gives that feeling of just a broken down building. Got a little minifigure here with his jackhammer, sunglasses on. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.